Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came with some of the important opportunity from company like the Volvo, Deloitte, Flipkart, or the Cognizant and other hiring. So if you're the fresher looking for some important internship and opportunity, then this video is for you. So pehla important opportunity that is from the Volvo. They are hiring for the role of graduate apprentice trainee role, and this is completely for the freshers, and this will be your roles and responsibility, like you will be supporting the design and delivery of digital solution, working with structured and unstructured data, and these are things. So the requirement is you should be having bachelor degree in computer science, IT, data science, industrial engineering or related field. मीन्स इससे related में अगर आपका है then you are legal for this, and you should require strong fundamentals in SQL, Python, AIML, and these means fundamental knowledge you should be having. So if you want, you can apply for this. This is a wonderful opportunity. And moving to next, that is from the Deloitte. They are hiring for the role of associate analyst cloud infrastructure, and for this the job location is Bengaluru, and this is the hybrid cloud engineering domain, and this is wonderful profile. If you want, you can apply for this will be your roles and responsibilities. So if you are from the BSc or BA graduates, then you can apply for this role, and good verbal and written communication skill are required, and basic understanding of IT services management concepts are there. So this is for non-BTech background. So if you know any BSc candidate, then you can share with them, because limited hiring for the BSc and are there, so you can share with them. Okay, and apply as soon as possible. Moving to next, that is from the Flipkart minutes. So they are hiring the candidates who have good problem solving skill and comfortable with ambiguity and built for scale, and have a knowledge of SQL, Python or Google App Script. So if you are interested, you can directly fill out the form. Okay, so this is the Flipkart minute franchise ops and electrification team. Okay, so you have to mention the poor, like as I said, manager or the details, and you have to basically mention the CTC and notice period if you are having. Okay, so especially to 25 students who have some knowledge or experience basic, you can apply for this. Moving to next, that is direct hiring from the Amazon. So this is also a non-technical process. So if you want, you can apply. Just you have to click the link and you have to basically apply for the, means do the fill the registration form, and this is the role, quality associate role, and just you have to fill the basic details and other. So you might get the assessment link whenever you will apply. So you have to give the consent when you have to upload the updated resume. So accordingly you have to apply. Moving to next, that is from the Cognizant. They are hiring for the role of non-wise banking operations, and for this the job location is Chennai, Solingalur. Okay, so this is important hiring, and limited hiring means just single openings are there. So make sure to apply as soon as possible, and strong chance of getting reward from this company. Because remember, this is non-wise and non-technical process. So if you're interested, you can apply, but this is a good profile. Okay, moving to last, that is from the Cisco. They are hiring for the role of network support engineer, bachelor's full-time, Indian customer experience, and this is full-time role. If you want, you can apply for this is also good profile, and these are the preferred qualifications and other things are there. So 0 to 2 year of experience in supporting or troubleshoot, means if you are in support role or have a knowledge of computer network like DHCP, VPNs, VLANs and LANs, then you can apply for this, and foundational awareness of AI concept you should be having. So these were the important hiring. Hope informative to be regularly post many important job updates here. So if you want, you can subscribe us, and milte हैं next important job updates में. Thank you.